This is a study on students' experience and satisfaction on UM's career fair. This study aims to assess students' perceptions of the value of attending UM career fair and predict what variables may indicate students' level of satisfaction in this event. The UM Future Studies and Placement Center provides some services for students who are seeking for a job, including the career fair. It provides full-time and internship opportunities to UM students. This year, the UM Career Fair is held on March 17th and 18th. There are over 100 companies from more than 20 industries, providing more than 5,000 job vacancies to conduct our study on UM Career Fair. From the recruiter's perspective, we think what they can offer, and from students' perspective, we consider what do they need. The methodology used in this study divided into two parts. For recruiters, we conduct interviews to identify what they can offer to students, and for students, we distribute questionnaires to understand what they expect from recruiters. Now let's see the data and analysis on the questionnaire. For online questionnaire, we have collected 40 responses from UM students. More than 80% of them are Year 4 students, and there are 3 sections of questions. We have adopted the importance and performance analysis in this question. In order to understand students' expectation, students are asked to rate the level of importance of certain attributes of their experience at career fair, and to evaluate their satisfaction, students are also asked to rate the level of performance of each attribute. There are 3 importance and performance gaps existing. The first one is availability of appealing job positions. There are 0.92 difference. The second importance and performance gap is on feedback from employees' representatives on the resume or interview performance. There are 0.9 difference. The third importance and performance gap is on suggestions from employers' representatives on career choice, and there are 0.81 difference. Now let's look at the data and analysis on the interview. We conduct interviews with 8 companies, and they are from different industries, including accounting, banking, and engineering. For interview questions, we summarize that most of representatives are from HR department. They can now share more work experience of specific recruiting position, and most of jobs are open to local students, less attracting to non-local students. Most of representatives are sitting there waiting for being approached, so that they cannot have so much interactions with students, and also they are willing to accept a printed resume but without providing immediate feedbacks. We also noted that few of representatives are willing to provide the mock interview so that students cannot get so much practice, but most of representatives are willing to share their experience if students are active in initiating a conversation. There are 2 theories can apply to this study. One is the perception and decision making, the other one is the personality and value. There are some common bias existing. One is the halo effect. For example, the recruiters may judge applicants by appearance, and the applicants may simply be attracted by the recruiter's counter's decoration. And at the career fair, both the recruiters and the applicants are looking for their Mr. Right. This is a process of value matching. Now here comes to the problem and suggestion. The first problem is the lack of appealing job position. One is because most of job positions are targeting local students, less attracting to non-local students. The other is because it lacks the diversity of job position from different industries. The second problem is lack of interpersonal communication. One is because students are too shy and nervous to initiate conversation. The other side is recruiters are passive and quiet in terms of their personality, waiting. Based on these 2 problems, we suggest students to be more well-prepared and active, and for recruiters, it should have more interaction with students and emphasis on the information that cannot get from posters. For organizers, it should know more about the students' needs and provide more. That's all for our study.